Om Shanti Namaste. Welcome to the question answers series. So, our today's topic is accurate decision making. The decisions we make shape our destiny. Accurate decisions are like the correct directions which take us closer to the destination. Just as a lighthouse that stands stable and tall, its rays spreading far out across the great oceans, showing direction in the dark, reaching out with rays of light far across dark ocean waters. Accuracy in decision, too, is like going beyond troubled waters and lighting up the path to right actions. So, now let's see our first question.
When I have to take decisions, I ask a lot of people for advices. Yet I am confused not knowing what to do. Why is it so?
So, as confusion occurs during decision making because of numerous options and choices that we create. These options and choices stuck our intellect, and then we are not able to see the right decisions as we are holding on to strong likes and dislikes. We often try to copy others' likes and do not recognize our real likes by seeing the current situation. And continuous conflict is going within the mind between what is right and what is one's like. And this results in one changing the decisions and over again. Also, others' advice is not convincing enough until and unless it is in tune with one's own liking. So, decisions have to be made with the recognition of one's capabilities, experiences of the past, awareness of the present situation, and the future consequences. So, it is also important not to be emotionally entangled but to be dispassionate. So, only the decisions are accurate, bringing the benefit not only for me but for others also. So, we need to remind always in decision, there is only one way, and that is the only right way. So, while taking decisions, it is essential to be an observer so that we are not emotionally tangled and took a biased decision. Hence, it is mandatory to have a self talk to get a correct decision. So, now let's see to a second question.
Others are not happy with the decisions I take, although I feel I am doing the right thing. What to do?
Yes, everyone's ideas may not be practical, but rejecting them outright shows that there is a strong attachment to the decision taken. But clinging on to one's own plan and ideas make others wary of them. There has to be respect given to others' feeling. However, it doesn't mean that one needs to take decisions mainly on the basis of others' feeling, but to ignore them will not allow one to earn goodwill from them. So instead, there needs to be an explanation given for the exclusion of others' opinions and ideas from the decision taken. If not, others will remain unhappy because they do not feel involved. Accurate decisions are made when everyone feels that they are a part of it. Even if some ideas are not relevant or even practical, they still have to be respected. Instead of disapproving or rejecting them outright, the right decisions are not entirely on the basis of good analysis and thinking, but also based on using the heart to understand others' feelings. Adding to this, if there is no risk management and decisions are based on some fancy desires, it makes others vary. So, this is why sometimes it is best to take a step back and let others become a part of the decision making process too. This makes them responsible in implementing them with involvement. So you get their good wills and you can have a great future which you have taken the decision in it. All over the world. Om Shanti.